Let me show you how I made these Mexican sprinkle cookies, but Christmas style. These are so pretty and very delicious. This is basically the same recipe I used before, adding 1 cup of unsalted butter at room temperature. To that, I'm going to add some white sugar and some powdered sugar, and I'm going to give that a good whisk. Scrape down the sides of the bowl. You want to make sure you're scraping periodically so that everything combines together. Adding in salt, baking powder, baking soda, vanilla extract, and 1 large egg. That can be cold. It does not have to be at room temperature. Give that a good whisk. Now it's time to start adding in the flour. This is just all-purpose flour. You can add it in all at one time. It doesn't have to be separate. And then you're going to just mix this. What I like to do is just whisk it until it combines, not fully, because then I'm just going to dump it out on my surface. And then I'm going to knead this for about 5 minutes, not too long, just to bring everything together. Once I did that, this is going to go back into the bowl. And I'm just going to let this rest for about 5 minutes. Make sure you preheat your oven to 350 degrees. I'm going to start making my cookie balls. I measured these out to be 63 grams each. Dropping it in those Christmas sprinkles. It's already looking so festive. For now, I'm just going to place these in this tray. And by the way, these are the holiday sprinkles I'll be using. I'm going to continue to do that with the rest. And once I am done, I am going to place these in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, these are ready to go onto a baking sheet. Make sure it is lined with some parchment paper. You do want to space these out, even though they do not spread much, but just spread them out. Bake for about 18 minutes. I like to do 18 minutes. And then straight out of the oven, they are smelling so good. I did let them cool on the baking sheet for about 10 minutes. Transferred these to a wire rack to let them cool completely. Once they have cooled completely, I'm just adding them to my festive Christmas tray here. These cookies are amazing. They are so soft, so buttery. These are delicious, and these are perfect to make for Christmas, to put in those cookie tins if you're going to give any out, but you can keep these for yourself. I love these cookies, and I'm going to continue to make them because they are just super delicious. I actually made this champurrado de nuez, and I decided to just have my cookies with this, and it was a perfect combo. I will have that champurrado de nuez recipe posted up for you, but save this recipe. You're going to want to make these cookies for the holidays, for your family, for your friends, your neighbors, or what the heck. Just keep them for yourself as a little snack during the day. Enjoy.